So yesterday I just explained something about agile methodology. Today we are going to learn full-fledgedly about agile methodology. Okay, guys. So under agile methodology, on which framework we are working, guys? Agile framework.
Scrum.
No. Yes, Scrum framework. Under agile methodology, we are working under Scrum framework. Right or wrong? The Scrum framework looks like this. Okay. To start a project, what we need, guys? We need some requirements. Right? Initially, who will write these requirements, guys? Product owner.
Product owner.
Right? Product owner. I'm writing in a different color. Product owner will write the requirements. But product owner is responsible for which backlog? Product backlog. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Product backlog. Okay. Product owner is responsible for the product backlog. Whatever the items are there in product backlog, product owner is responsible, guys. Just consider there are 1,000 items in the product backlog. The product owner only is responsible for the 1,000 items. Okay. He is not responsible for the sprint backlog, guys. Okay. Why? Because here the developers are working in product backlog. Product owner is not working. Product owner is working in product backlog. That's why development team and Scrum team is not responsible. Understood, guys? Simple logic. Okay. Initially, in a team, in Agile methodology under Scrum framework, the Scrum team is 3 members. Okay. One is product owner, second one is Scrum master, and the third one is Scrum team. Scrum team is nothing but QA plus development team. Okay, tester plus developer. Okay, these are the roles in Scrum framework.
It is Scrum team or development team?
Scrum team.
Okay, we have to say product owner, Scrum master, and Scrum team as a part
Yes.
of the Agile.
No. Scrum framework, we have 3 roles. Okay. If anyone asks you how many roles are there in Agile under Scrum framework, you have to say that we have 3 roles. One is Scrum team. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Product owner. Okay. Let me show you this. The second one is Scrum master. And the third one is Scrum team. Scrum team is nothing but it is the combination of developers plus testers. Here, this is not the document. Let me show you here. See here. There are 3 roles, guys, for us. Okay. What are the 3 roles, guys? The first one is product owner. Okay. The second one is Scrum master. And the third one is Scrum team. Scrum team is nothing but it is the combination of developers plus QA. QA is nothing but testers. Understood, guys? Hello, Kanchan?
Yes.
It is the combination of developer plus testers. Testers are we are going to call it as QA also. Okay, right. Now that's what I'm teaching here. Now product owner is responsible for product backlog. Okay, no one is responsible for product backlog. Only product owner is responsible for the product backlog. Okay, now whatever he writes, product owner, whatever he writes, that is his wish. That means client will say something, right? Client won't come daily, right? Instead of client, who will come to us? Product owner will come to us. and he will explain, he will give requirements to complete. Okay, complete the project. What we are going to do, guys, based upon the client requirements, we are going to work on the project. How we are working? Initially, product owner will give some requirements to us. Okay, will give some requirements to us. From where to where? From product backlog to sprint backlog. Okay, from product backlog to sprint backlog. Now, who are responsible here, Manoj? Initially, this is called as the product sprint backlog. Okay, this is the sprint backlog, guys. And coming to here, what we are doing? Who is responsible here? Scrum
Scrum team.
Master. No, Scrum Master plus
Scrum team.
Scrum Team. Both. Okay, Scrum Master plus Scrum Team. Scrum Team is a combination of developers plus testers. Okay, developers plus testers. Testers is nothing but QA. Understood, guys? Any doubts? Up to here. Kanchan, any doubts?
No.
What about you? I forgot the name. Kiran?
Manoj, simply product backlog means the product owner is giving the requirements or backlogs. So simply we can say the backlog is like that only, right?
Yes. See, initially to complete a project, what we okay. Remove that from initially. Remove agile methodology from your mind. Okay. To play cricket, what we need, guys?
Ground bat ball. That's it.
Simply, we need a ground,
Players.
right?
Yeah.
We need a cricket ground. We need a cricket bat. We need a ball. We need helmet, right? Pads, and we need 11 players and opposite 11 players, and we need stems, right or wrong? These are all called as requirements to play cricket. We need all these requirements. Now, coming to IT industry, right? To complete a project, we are also need some requirements, right or wrong? That requirements in agile methodology. Okay, in agile methodology, that requirements will be written by the product owner,
Yes.
guys. Okay, how he will write, Manoj? Basically, he will connect with the client. Okay, client, he will connect with the client. Now, client will say something, guys. Okay, client will say something. Okay, now whatever the client is saying, he will closely observe and he will make a note of it. Okay, and whatever the client says, he will reflect in here, guys, in the product backlog. Understood, guys?
Yes.
Vijay? Hello? Surabhi?
Yes, Manoj.
Yes, Vijay, you are on mute.
Am I audible?
Yeah, Vijay, you understood, or do you want me to repeat again? Okay, your voice is breaking, but okay, I got it, like, okay, right. See, now client has given 1,000 requirements, guys. Here. Initially, we can't complete 1,000 requirements at a time, right? What we are going to do now, the product owner will give some requirement, guys, from here to here. Okay, he will give some requirements from here to here, like this. Okay, he will bring some requirement, guys. Otherwise, I will keep like this. Okay, what he will do? He will bring some requirements here, guys. Just consider he brought around 10 tickets. Okay, he brought 10 tickets, guys. Do you think can we complete all the 10 tickets, guys? Surabhi, I asked you the same question. Can you complete the 10 tickets?
No, Manoj.
No. How did you say no?
That is the total backlog, right?
No. See, in
Based
backlog,
on the capacity planning.
one second, one second. We in backlog, we are having 1,000 requirements. Now product owner brought only 10 tickets. Can we complete that?
Backlog has 1,000 tickets, and in the sprint backlog, we have 10 tickets. Is it?
Yes, product owner brought some requirements to here. Can we
Okay.
complete the 10 tickets?
That would be based on the story points and the capacity that we have.
See, first thing is, please remove from your mind about story points. Okay? We are not calculating the tickets oh, okay. In your organization, you are calculating by story points.
Yes.
Okay. One story point is equal to 1 day. I mean, 7 hours, right?
1 hour. Yeah. One
Yeah,
hour.
1 hour.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. That's why you are from yesterday onwards. You are saying story points, story points, story points. Yes, okay. Just now I got. I mean, just now I got it. Okay, you are calculating through story points.
Yes.
Okay, how
That
many?
is what it has been in all my projects. So I
Mhm.
was wondering whether that connects or not.
Okay, okay, okay. You should say yesterday only, Manoj. We are going to do like this. Okay, how many hours you are calculating? One story point.
One story point is 1 hour.
Okay. So how in a
So
total sprint?
in one of my project, we used to have Fibonacci series,
Okay. Yeah, everyone will
and
do the Fibonacci series,
yeah,
like planning poker.
yeah.
Okay.
And right now in GitHub, it is nothing but just the number of hours.
Okay. See, the thing is like you said, we are taking based upon the hours. Okay.
Hmm.
Now just consider you are having 100 hours. Okay, 100 hours won't come. What is your team size?
Team size is 6.
Six. Just consider six people are working. Okay. Every day 6 hours. Okay. Every day
Mm-hmm.
6 hours, right? 36 hours. For
Mm-hmm.
six people every day six. 36 into 10 days, 2 weeks of sprint. That is going to be 360 hours, right?
Yeah.
Are you going to take 360 story points? So how you are saying that 1 hour is equal to one story point? Now total
Yeah.
hours is how much? 360. Are you taking 360 story points?
360 story points. Yes, we would be considering 360 story points. That
How?
is the so if there are 10 tickets and some of the stories have an effort of say maybe 4 hours, and then some of them will be having 8, some will be having more, so we will add all those, and
Okay, I got another question. See, what you are doing is totally wrong. That is not agile. That is not a Scrum
yeah,
framework.
yeah,
See,
I know. So I have a question around this. So
I will definitely clarify this with you.
yeah, maybe I was waiting for all these clarifications in the future
Yes, yes, yes.
classes,
Because
because
na, this
whatever
is
I have
totally
been
wrong.
through, I do not think it is 100% agile. So we
Yes.
talk more about agile, agile, agile every time, but then uh, in the organizations, it is not 100% agile. It is like waterfall plus agile.
It's a part of, but totally it's not agile. It's just we are using some upgradations. That's it. That is not
Yeah.
agile. See here,
Hmm.
to complete this ticket, what I have done is I have taken just for an example only. Mute yourself. One second. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. See here, I have given an estimation of 3 weeks, 1 day, 7 hours. 3 weeks in the sense 120 hours, guys. I will explain all those things just for a rough example. 3 weeks in the sense, okay, 1 day is equal to 8 hours, guys. 8 into 3 weeks, okay, 3 in the sense 15 days. That is 120, guys. Okay, 1 day plus 1 day plus 8 plus 7. Total is 135. Are you going to keep 135 story points to this? Surabhi?
No, not for a single story.
So how you are giving the story points? If you so you can't give 135 story points to subtasks also, right?
Yeah.
For the subtask, you have the subtask here. For the subtask, we can't give the story point estimations. See,
Yes,
we don't have a
we
story
can.
point estimations. So how you are taking this 135? Are you splitting this ticket? Are you slicing it?
I think slicing story point according to the average story.
No, no, not the
Right,
story point.
Surabhi?
We don't slice the story point. We slice the ticket.
Not, I'm not asking. They are
Okay.
assigning some story point
Mhm.
in terms of the ticket only.
Okay, we will
Some
connect.
story points like
We,
if
Mhm.
she wants to work on the third ticket, okay, so
Okay.
she is going to um, put some story points for third ticket, and
No, no, no.
she will assign to herself.
No, no, no. That will be done. I know that, but that is not the proper thing. Okay. Surabhi, are you giving 135 story points for one ticket, or how you are doing?
No, it is not possible to give
Ah,
135 story points to one single ticket. Um, but
okay.
the
We do.
project that I have currently,
Mm-hmm,
we calculate the capacity based on hours, and
mm-hmm.
then a number of hours is only considered as the efforts or the story points required for any of the stories that we have.
Okay, okay. I will.
Those
I
are
will.
not split into subtasks or anything. I think the subtask itself is a story there.
Yes, subtask is a story. But the thing is, like, for the subtask, we can't give the story points, right?
Yeah, we cannot. We
Yes,
cannot.
yes. Okay. One day we will. I will check your dashboard so that I will get to know Shruti. Okay. So
Okay,
that
I am not sure I can share or not.
no, no, no. Through video call. I mean phone video call. Okay. So that I will
Ah,
get some clarity and I will
okay,
give you full clarification on your project and I will
okay,
explain to these guys also how you are doing, how we should not do these things.
okay, 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 fine.
Okay then. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me explain the concept again. Okay. Right here, guys. So initially, what I said, guys, if the product owner brought 10 story points, sorry, 10 tickets, we can't say yes, guys. Okay. If I ask you, the product owner brought only one ticket, can you complete it? You have to say no. Okay. Why, Manoj? Only one ticket, right? It is too easy, man. Okay. Just consider your total sprint size is 360. Sorry, your capacity is 360. Okay, to complete this ticket it is going to take 500 hours, then you can complete it, no, right? So based upon your capacity and based upon how much hours it is going to take, like original estimation, we have to estimate this ticket, guys, then only we can confirm that yes, we can complete this ticket or we cannot complete this ticket. Okay, initially we can't say that, guys. Understood? Surabhi, Kanchan, Vijay,
Yes.
Hari?
Yes.
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 Okay, right. So if the product owner brought 10 tickets, okay, what we are going to do, guys? Yes, initially we will keep 10 tickets in the sprint backlog, but what we do first, we are going to listen whatever he says. Okay, you guys has to complete 10 tickets. Okay, before sprint planning starts, what we are going to do? We are going to open our capacity plan. Okay, initially we are having 700 hours. Okay, we are having 700 hours. Now see, 700 hours we have. Okay, now what we are doing, guys? Product owner will explain the first ticket. Okay, everything is good. What we are doing, guys? Now we are estimating the original estimate. Okay, original estimate is this much. Okay, how much we got it? Around 200 hours. Okay, next second ticket. Next second ticket is 300 hours. Total how many hours gone? 500 hours completed. We are remaining hours is 200 hours. Now we explain third ticket. Third ticket is 50 hours. Okay. Now fourth ticket 20 hours. Fifth ticket 10 hours. Right? 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay. Sixth ticket that is 30 hours. Total is 600 hours. Now seventh ticket 100 hours. Now did we complete total 700 hours, right? Guys,
Yes.
Yes.
now we completed total 700 hours. Now what we are doing, guys? We don't work for extra hours. Okay. Now we are going to pick only 7 tickets. These 7 tickets. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What about 8, 9, 10, Manoj? What we are doing, guys? We are removing 8, 9, 10 to the product backlog. Okay. We are removing those tickets to the product backlog. Understood, guys? Up to here. This is very, very important, guys. You need to understand. If you don't understand, ask me. I will explain as many times I can.
Who is going to return it?
Sorry, who is going
Scrum
to?
Master? Who is going to return this extra
Product owner
ticket in
only.
the product
Product
owner?
owner. Yes, we don't get the access, guys. Okay,
Okay.
we are the monitor here. Only product owner can move and he can remove the tickets. After confirming that, we can work for only 7 tickets. What he will do? He will remove remaining 3 tickets. Okay. Sometimes we are also have some access. We can also do that, but uh, some work some people has to do it. Okay, that is product owner. Okay, guys. Now, okay, Manoj, everything is set, right? What we are doing now? What we are doing, guys? Now sprint backlog is completed. We are going to set, right? Now we have to work for a sprint. Sprint is nothing but it is the duration, guys. As I mentioned you, sprint is the duration of 1 to 4 weeks. Okay, 1 to 4 weeks, guys. Manoj, who is going to decide this sprint length? Basically, the sprint length will be decided by the product owner only. We are not going to decide anything, guys. Product owner will say that, hey, Scrum team, you have to work in 2 weeks of sprint. Hey, Scrum team, you have to work for 3 weeks of sprint. Why? If product owner decide sprint 1 is 2 weeks, this sprint 2 also 2 weeks only. Sprint 3 also 2 weeks only. Sprint 70 is also 2 weeks only. We can't change in the middle, guys. Understood? Or do you want me to explain again? Kanchan?
No.
What no? Understood or not understood?
Understood. No need to explain again.
Okay. Kanchan? Sorry. Surabhi?
I understood Manoj, but this is not what we had been following in my projects.
Okay. No worries. I will let you know one more time. Okay. Usually, this sprint length is 1 to 4 weeks, guys. Okay. 1 to 4 weeks. But please mute yourself. 1 to 4 weeks. Okay. Now, who is going to decide the sprint length? Product owner will decide, guys. We are not responsible for the sprint length. Product owner will discuss with the client and he will give us some time. Okay, that time is called as a sprint. This in this particular time you have to work in this sprint length. Okay, now product owner says that yes, we have to work for 4 weeks of sprint. Then we have to work for 4 weeks of sprint. If he says 1 week, we have to work for 1 week. If he says 2 weeks, we have to work for 2 weeks. Okay, that means for these 2 weeks, just consider you are having 360 hours. What about the 4 weeks, guys? How many hours you will get? Surabhi? Hello?
720.
720 hours, right? You are going to get 720 hours. For that 720 hours, now you have taken how many tickets? 7 tickets. What you will do? You will take some more tickets, right? Like around, you will get like around 13 to 14 tickets or 15 tickets. You are going to work for 15 tickets. Right, Surabhi? Hello?
Yes, Manoj.
Yes. And now what I said is previously agile methodology is a iterative, right? Now the sprint length is 2 weeks, guys. Okay, now the sprint length is 2 weeks. 2 weeks in the sense how many working days, guys? Totally, sorry, how
And
many total days are there? 7 plus 7, 14 days in a 2 weeks. But as per IT industry, what we are doing, guys, Monday to Friday is the working days. That means total days are 10 days. 10 days is the duration for us. Okay, guys, 10 days is the duration to complete this sprint, guys. Okay, now what you do? We are working in a sprint wise every day. That is called an iterative. Now this diagram, I mean this arrow mark is called as iterative. Iterative in the sense, day one you work. Next, what you are doing, guys? Day two you are also working on the same sprint, right? Day three also 24 hours completed, and the next day you are coming to organization, you are working. Right or wrong, guys? Hello?
yes, but
Yes.
everybody is working like this. Then why we call in agile iterative?
Everybody
Everyone,
is working. I didn't get you.
everybody is working every day.
Mhm.
So why we are saying in agile iterative?
Okay. The thing is like everybody is working totally on this 1,000 tickets every day. Okay. But what we are doing, we are working in a sprint wise to give the product. Okay. To deliver the product before releasing. Just consider the product has to be completed in 2 years. Okay. The product has to be completed in 2 years. Okay. Now to complete the whole project, it is going to take 2 years, right? This 1,000 requirements. Right or wrong, Kanchan?
Yes,
Before, if I ask you, there are like some important items are there. If you deliver those important items, we can deliver the project in 6 months. Some basic features. So that before completing the 2 years, I can grab some customers. Right or wrong?
yes,
That's why we are working in agile methodology. Initially, we are developing only the important features. Okay, and we are doing some promotions before 2 years only. But in waterfall methodology, did we done like that?
no,
No, did we didn't done like that. What we have done after completing the project, we we have done promotions, right? After promotions, we got some clients, and I mean, based upon their how much they have purchased, we got our returns at around 5 to 6 years. Right or wrong, Kanchan?
yes,
But here, what we are doing, guys, we are delivering the project for the first 6 months only. Some important features, basic features. Okay, we are delivering those basic features, and what we are doing, we are deploying the project, and now we are going to the some hero or heroines. Okay, I know only. I mean, if you are from Bangalore, I know only Rishabh Shetty. This Kantara is there, right? Movie Rishabh Shetty. I know that person only. If you are from Bangalore locations, okay. If you are from North states, I know Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan. Okay. If you are from Andhra states, I know some people. Okay, Chiranjeevi, Allu Arjun, right? Like these people. What you will do, you will consult these people. These people will have a huge fan base. right? The people will think that if Shah Rukh Khan promotes thumbs up, right? So this is a very good product. Am I right or wrong? Now people will buy the thumbs up. Guys, am I right or wrong? Hello?
Yes.
Just consider today Shah Rukh Khan promoted thumbs up, and now today the thumbs up got 10,000 customers. Okay? Tomorrow you can get more than 10,000, right? Hello?
Yes.
Based upon their popularity. Before releasing the product, what they are doing? They are doing some advertisements, right? Now what we are doing, guys? So just to consider this, guys. Okay? I will give you a damn good example. So you have iPhone 16 right now. Okay, iPhone 17 is not launching. Before launching iPhone 17, can we see the ads? Or after launching the iPhone 17, we are seeing the ads, guys?
Before launching.
Before launching. So that iPhone 17 people will release some pre-bookings. Right or wrong? In that pre-bookings, they can notice that these many people has booked for iPhone 17, so that they can do some production, right? Right now they have 1 lakh, only 1 lakh of iPhone 17s. Now they have done some promotions. Okay, now they got 10 lakhs of uh, pre-bookings. Now what they will do? They will do some production as well. Right or wrong? Here also the same thing, guys. What we are doing initially, we are developing some important features, guys. Here in sprint wise, and we are delivering those initially. Okay, and we are doing advertisements, guys. Based upon that advertisements, we are getting some customers, guys. Okay, now customers, what they will do? What we have done advertisements, they are going to purchase the products, guys, right? Before 2 years, before 2 years, what we are going to have? In 6 months, we are delivering some important features, and before two years, what we are doing, guys? We are into the market. Okay, we are into the market and we are gaining some customers. Okay, after completing the 2 years, okay, after fully developed the project, now the project is fully developed. What we can do, guys, here now? We have a lot of customers. Now no need to develop the features, guys. Okay, just we can do some promotions so that we can get easily, right? By using this agile methodology, our products will be done more accurately and more we can get more returns. Understood? Kanchan, understood? Any doubts?
Yeah.
Yes, Surabhi?
Yes, Manoj, understood.
Okay. Kiran, Vijay?
Ah, understood, Manoj.
Yes. Vijay, what about you? I think Vijay is on some work. Okay, let him do his work. He will go through the recording. Okay, now what we are doing, guys? After completing the work, after completing on 10th day, okay, after completing the 7 items, here we have taken 7 items, right? After completing these 7 items, what we are doing, guys? We are delivering that product. Not delivering, we are showcasing the product to the clients. Okay, on day 10, the clients will come, guys. Okay, on day 10, the clients will come. This is called as sprint review, guys. Review in the sense, after completing the work, we are going to do some review. Okay, guys, we are going to do some review sessions. Okay, now client will check all the 7 items. First item, how you have developed. Developers will showcase the product. Okay, if it is good, he will take that. If it is not good, what he will do? No, this ticket is not developed well. Redevelop, and he will keep in the backlog. Okay, what he will do? He will take remaining 6 tickets. And what we are going to do? We are going to redevelop this ticket. Understood, guys? That is called the review meeting here. Any doubts about review meeting? Kanchan?
Uh, mm, Please repeat.
Yes, sure. So initially in the organization, what we are doing, guys? We are working on sprint backlog, right? On 7 items, right? Now, how many days we are working? We are working for 10 days. After completing the 10 days, what we are doing, guys? We have to deploy the 7 tickets. Before deploying, what we are doing, guys? We are showing, we are going to show this product. Just consider how we have to say. Okay, okay. Kanchan, hello.
Yes.
You know wool. You know wool.
Yeah, I know.
You know wool sweaters.
Yeah, I know.
Yes. The thing is like you are going to what sew, SUE, sew. Okay. You are going to sew the wool. Okay. Yeah, what was that? Wool, wool sweater. Okay, you are going to sew the wool sweater.
Yeah.
Okay, after completing the sweater, what you will do? You are going to check the wool sweater, right?
Yes.
Right. If you are preparing that sweater to your
Better for
kids,
someone, so I am going
yes. Basically, what you will do? You will
take
take
a
some
measurement.
measurements, right? And based upon the measurements, you are going to check it. You are going to do some designs on that as well, right or wrong? After when the sweater has been completed, what you are going to do? You are going to check the sweater, right? Is that sweater well prepared or not? Right or wrong? Is
Yes.
this loose or is that sweater tight? Based on that, what you are going to do? You are going to do some modifications, right? Here also the same thing, guys. What we are doing? We have developed some 7 items. Now, client along with, I will tell you guys who are attendees. Just consider client. Client came and he is checking the first ticket. Okay, first ticket is done. It's very good. Second ticket is good. Third ticket is good. Fourth ticket is good. Fifth ticket is not done properly. There are some there is something need to be added. Okay, some designs need to be added on fifth ticket. Right? Now what these clients are doing? No, guys, this fifth ticket is not good. Okay, what you have to do? Redevelop it. Redevelop in the sense, what are the modifications are there? Please do some modifications on that. And now they kept it in the product bag. And the sixth ticket is good, seventh ticket is good. Now what they are doing? They are taking only 6 tickets, guys. Remaining fifth ticket, only 1 ticket is moved to product backlog. Okay, understood, Kanchan now?
Yes.
Okay, Manoj, what about that remaining first ticket? I will explain now. Okay, now sprint review is done, guys. Okay, after completing the sprint review, straight away we are going to have another meeting that is called as sprint retrospective. What is that? Sprint retrospective. This is one of the very important meeting, guys, for the Scrum Masters. What we are going to do in here? We are going to discuss about the sprint, guys. What we have done, okay, based upon the client feedback. Okay, based upon the client feedback. Now, Manoj, where we get the client feedback? See here. Here we got the client feedback, right? What we have done? Kanchan? Hari?
Yes, and sprint review, stakeholder and
Yes.
client is also.
Yes. Client will give some feedback. If you develop good, they will give you some feedback, right? If you didn't develop good, they will give some negative feedback. If it is a positive feedback, okay, what we are discussing here, we along with Scrum Master and development team, we sit together and we are going to do this meeting. For future purpose, we are going to have the same type of appraisals. Okay. If we get the negative feedback, we are going to talk about, no guys, we should not get this negative feedback. At what point we are lacking behind, we need to improve all these things in all aspects. Understood, guys? We have to discuss like this in sprint retrospective. This is not the final things, guys. I will explain each and every step whenever we come to here. See here, sprint planning, sprint retrospective. I will teach you each and everything what we are going to do in this year. Okay? Up to now, any doubts, guys? Hello?
No doubts, Manoj.
Okay. Now, in sprint review, we have taken how many tickets, guys? How many tickets to the delivery? Kanchan?
6 out of 7.
6 out of 7. Okay. Now, this is called as product increment, guys. Okay. This is called as product increment. Now, product increment is not, guys, please mute yourself. Product increment is nothing but it is the combination of sprint 1 plus sprint 2. Okay. Just consider I'm containing a container. This first box, let me take it in the paint. It is like this. Okay, guys. Let me tell you. This one box is called as sprint 1. This second box is sprint 2. This is sprint 3. What we are doing, guys? We are combining all the sprints in one location. That is called as product increment, guys. Okay. Product increment is nothing but this is not the final, guys. I will explain now. Okay. Give me a second. Now I am removing all these things, guys. Okay. Now you see here. Now we have completed sprint 1. How many tickets, Kanchan?
6.
6. I am taking here 6 tickets. Now this is called as product increment, PI. Product increment. Product increment is nothing but it is the combination of current build plus previous build. For sprint 1, what is the current build and previous build, Kanchan?
Only one.
One is there. That is called the current, and the previous build is there is nothing previous build. That is called 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. Right? Now I went to sprint 2. In sprint 2, what I did, guys? I have taken 7 tickets. Now, what is the current build and what is the previous build, Vijay? I think Vijay is not there. Kiran,
Manoj.
what is the current build and what is the previous build?
Current build is 6, right?
Which is 6? This one, huh?
This one.
Okay. What is this?
That is the previous one. Actually, one ticket is missed. Actually, that is not good, right?
Okay. Right. So, this is number 1. Okay. This is number 2. What is current and what is previous number?
2 is the current and 1 is the previous number.
One is the previous, right? So initially for the sprint one, we have completed 6 tickets. That is current build. Okay, now sprint one is completed. After sprint one is completed, what we are doing, guys? We are going for the sprint two, right? Now this sprint one is past. Now this is present. Present is called as current. Now we have completed 7 tickets, right? Now what is product increment, guys? Product increment is nothing but it is the combination of
13.
current build plus previous build. Now what is current build? Sprint 2 is the current build. Okay. What is the previous build? Previous build is sprint 1. Now how many total tickets are there? If I add sprint 1 plus sprint 2, 6 plus 7, that is called 7, 13. I added here. Now can you tell me what is the current build and what is the previous build here? Now this is sprint 3. Okay. This is sprint 2. Okay, guys. Now I have added here, I have completed 8 tickets. Now what is the current build and what is the previous build, Kanchan?
S3 is current and S2 is the previous, and the total is 15.
Total is 15. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Now my question is, what about the 6 tickets?
Is already included in previous ticket, so we are not going to include it.
Where?
Yes.
Previous build is this one. Previous build is 7. Right?
No,
Now
no.
current build is 8.
Yes.
Now what you are doing? You are adding current build plus previous build. Current build is sprint 3. Previous
Yes.
build is sprint 2. Now you are adding to this one. Now these tickets are 7. Now you are not adding to 6, right?
It's already added
Where
previous.
added? I added here,
In
not here.
yeah.
Okay. That's why I have shown this diagram, guys. Okay. That's why I have
Okay, so you mean for the first sprint, there
Mhm,
is only one thing,
mhm,
whichever task we have completed,
mhm.
that will be calculated for the sprint one.
For the futures. Okay. Just
Okay.
consider this container is a version, guys. Okay. You have a mobile phone, right? Do you get version updates for every day?
No.
How many days you will get it or how many months you will get it? Just consider today you got the version, guys, version upgrade. You upgraded it. Tomorrow you will got the second version.
No.
Day after tomorrow. No, right?
Yes.
It will take around 6 to 7 months, right? In that 6 to 7 months gap, what we are doing, guys, we are developing the features. Okay, what are the features we need to upgrade? Okay, we are developing the features here, guys, and storing in one place. That is called the version. Understood, guys? That is called the version. Okay, we are going to keep in a container. That container is called as a product increment. Okay, in that sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, like totally sprint 30, sprint 40, how many sprints we need to keep in a version? We are going to keep all the things, guys. And finally, what we are doing, guys, we are delivering this. That is called as a product increment. Understood, Kanchan?
Yes.
Now what we are doing, guys, here we are not connecting with this one. Current build is S3, previous build is S2. That is correct. But what we are doing, guys, we are not connecting this one. This is wrong, right? We have already added sprint 1 and sprint 2 here. Okay, we have to connect current build is this one and previous build is this one. Okay, what it have? It have sprint 1 and sprint 2 both. Now if you add that, what will have? Sprint 1, sprint 2 plus sprint 3. Okay, now total how many tickets? 13 plus 8 tickets. Right or wrong? Totally 21
21.
tickets. 21 tickets will be there. Now sprint 4 is completed. Okay, sprint 4 is completed, guys. In sprint 4, we have 9 tickets. Okay, we should not go to this place, guys. Okay, if you go over here, no problem. Okay, if you add this, no problem, guys. What is the major drawback? You will lose these 7 tickets and 6 tickets. Okay, you can get only 8 plus 9. That is 17 tickets only you will get. You will lose these features. Okay, guys. Now what we are doing? We are connecting with S4 to this one. Okay, now it is going to have another thing. Now, how many previously? 21. 21 plus 9. That is equals to 30. Okay, guys, that is equals to 30. Now, how many sprints are there? S1, sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, sprint 4. Understood, guys? Hello?
Yes. What we
Yes.
called it?
Product increment.
Product increment. Okay.
Increment.
Yeah, increment.
Okay, product increment. Let me show you here. Product increment. Yes, we got it. See, a product increment is the sum of all the product backlog items completed during sprints and all previous sprints, resulting into a new usable and potential reusable version of the products. Okay, guys? See here, it says clearly. See, where it is the definition? I saw some question.
So it is an interview question.
Yes, it is an interview question.
What they are going to ask?
What is meant by product increment? Okay, you have to say the same thing. Product increment is nothing but please mute yourself. Product increment is nothing but it is the combination of previous build plus current build. Previous build is nothing but whatever the work items we have completed in the sprint 1 that are going to add with sprint 2 items. And totally product increment is of length is 3 months. In these 3 months, how many sprints we have completed? We are going to stick together and we are going to deliver those items for the new version. Understood? I will explain.
Hi Manoj.
Yeah, hi Ganesh. 2 minutes, guys. Okay. Understood? Kanchan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi Manoj.
Hi Ganesh. 2 minutes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. I will explain this concept on Tuesday, guys. Okay. Monday there is no class. Kanchan,
Yeah.
Monday I'm going to Hyderabad, so there is no class.
Okay.
Okay, we will connect by Tuesday.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, right, guys. Any doubts, Kanchan?
No doubts.
No doubts.
I
What about
was
you?
just I was
Sorry.
just asking
Mhm.
whatever the question we are getting from here, just